Hi, everyone. Today, let's address what you should do with a web URL that you have registered and you haven't used. And this question came up, I think it was in the Facebook group that I run, and you can join that. The link is in the description. Somebody said, I have my website URL, I've registered it, it's been sitting there for a year, I haven't started a website yet. So, should I just go ahead and let it go and then get it when I need it? And the answer is heck no, because there are people whose entire business model, and I am not joking about this, is to wait until domain names expire or you just let it go. And they snap them up, they buy them, and then they sit on them and they try to sell them back to you. So a lot of times you'll go to register a domain name and it will say this name is taken, but you can buy it. And then they have some exorbitant amount that they want you to pay for it. So don't let your domain name expire. If you're going to use it in 10 years, that's fine. Don't let it expire because someone will buy it and then you're going to have to buy it back, or you're going to have to get another one, which is just a big pain. So make sure that you get that and keep it. Now, as far as things like paying for an SSL certificate, which makes it a secure website, like the HTTPS instead of HTTP, and then you click on it and it says this is a dangerous website. The S makes it a secure website and encrypts things in a different way. You don't have to pay for that. In general, when you have a website and the host is, is hosting your site, you can get an SSL certificate for free. So don't pay for that. I would pay for privacy. And, it's up to you. The privacy just means that when people look up who owns this website, because there is a directory that you can look it up, it's whois.com. You can go to see who owns websites. And the privacy will kind of mask that. So it won't say your name and your address and that kind of thing, because you do have to put that down when you register websites. If you don't care about that, that's fine. But you will start to get annoying emails, people trying to sell you SEO services and all. I just get a million emails a day. It's ridiculous. I would do the privacy. I have so many domain names registered that I don't actually use because I'm thinking I might use them in the future. It's a good website name. It's easy to remember. And so I want it. Or it's a name. Like when my kids were little, I registered their names as domain names because I didn't want someone to take that. And then if they wanted a website in the future, there they go. But they've been sitting there for 20 years because they haven't used them. So you need to register your domain name. Don't let it expire. You don't need to pay for extras. I would pay for privacy. That's the only thing I would pay for. But if they're trying to sell you other stuff, you don't really need that. And the best thing to do is to register it for a longer time period because it's usually a discount for that. They'll charge you a little less if you register it for 3 years or 5 years. And that way you don't have to renew it every single year. You don't have to think about it. Pay for the privacy. Don't worry about the SSL certificate. Don't let your domains expire because dirty tricks happen when that happens. All right, so leave me any questions. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.